Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise 7.3 problems. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. Fourth question, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. To solve this question, first we have to draw the diagram of a quadrilateral. So let's solve this problem. Solution. First, let us draw the diagram of a quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral A, B, C and D. According to the question, the coordinates of the vertex A is given by -4, -2. -4, -2. The coordinates of the vertex B is given by -3, -5. -3, -5. Next, the coordinates of the vertex C is given by 3, -2. 3, -2. Next, the coordinates of the vertex D is given by 2, 3. 2, 3. Let A of -4, -2, B of -3, -5, C of 3, -2 and D of 2, 3 be the vertices of a quadrilateral. Now, when we join the vertex B and D, now let us join the vertex B and D. Thus, this diagonal BD divides the quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles. The first triangle is ABD and the second triangle is BCD. So, this is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. By calculating the area of the triangle ABD and BCD, we can easily find out the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so first let us calculate the area of the triangle ABD. For triangle ABD, for triangle ABD, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2 and this is x3, y3. x1, y1 is equal to -4, -2. x2, y2 is given by -3, -5 and x3, y3 is equal to 2, 3. Now let us write the formula to find out the area of the triangle ABD. So area of triangle ABD is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute all these values in this formula. So area of triangle ABD is equal to 1 by 2 into the value of x1 is minus 4 into the value of y2 is minus 5 minus the value of y3 is 3 plus the value of x2 is minus 3, the value of y3 is 3 minus the value of y1 is minus 2 plus the value of x3 is 2 into the value of y1 is minus 2 minus the value of y2 is minus 5 which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4, adding minus 5 and minus 3 we get minus 8 plus into minus minus 3 into 3 minus into minus plus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 5 which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus into minus is plus 4 8 is 32. Here 3 plus 2 is 5. This minus 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 3 is 15. 15. Here 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. It is plus 6 which is equal to 1 by 2 into 32 plus 6 is 38. 38 minus 15 is 23. 23 which is equal to 1 into 23 is 23 divided by 2 square units. That is area of triangle ABD is 23 by 2 square units. Now we have to find the area of the triangle, another triangle BCD. Now let us calculate another area of triangle BCD. For triangle BCD, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. So for triangle BCD, x1 y1 is minus 3 comma minus 5. x2 y2 is 3 comma minus 2. and x3 y3 is 2, 3. Now let us write the formula to find out the area of triangle BCD. So area of triangle BCD is given by 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute all these values in this formula. So area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 by 2 into the value of x1 is minus 3 into the value of y2 is minus 2 minus the value of y3 is 3 plus the value of x2 is 3 into the value of y3 is 3 minus the value of y1 is minus 5 plus the value of x3 is 2, the value of y1 is minus 5 minus the value of y2 is minus 2. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3. Adding minus 2 and minus 3 we get minus 5 plus 3 minus into minus plus 5 plus 2 minus 5 minus into minus is plus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus into minus plus 3 5 is 15 plus 3, adding 3 and 5 we get 8 into 3 is 24. Now minus 5 plus 2 we get minus 3 minus into plus minus 3 into 2 6, that is 1 by 2 into adding 15 and 24 we get 39 minus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. 39 minus 6 is 33, which is equal to 33 into 1 is 33 divided by 2 square units, that is area of triangle BCD is 33 by 2 square units. By knowing the area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD, we can easily calculate the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now we have already calculated the area of triangle ABD, that is the area of triangle ABD value is 23 by 2 square units and the area of the triangle BCD is 33 by 2 square units. Now by adding the area of triangle ABD and BCD, we can easily calculate the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. That is, the value of area of triangle ABD is 23/2 plus the area of triangle BCD is 33/2. Now here the denominators are same, so adding numerators, that is 23 and 33, we get 56. 56/2, which is equal to, dividing 56/2, we get 2 ones are 2 2s are 4, 16, 2 8s are 16, that is 28 square units. Now we have to write the conclusion, that is area of quadrilateral ABCD is 28 square units. This is the answer.